What if I told you that one of the most powerful superfoods in the world is not rare or expensive, but it's sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? Garlic. A simple, everyday herb that ancient healers trusted, modern research praises, and wellness experts can't stop recommending. Today, we're exploring why garlic is more than a cooking ingredient but a daily immunity and wellness booster. Let's begin with its most famous benefit: immune support. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, released when you chop or crush it. This compound helps your body defend itself against common infections by supporting your natural immune response. Scientific studies agreed that it can help your system stay strong throughout the year. That's why many people take a small amount daily, especially during cold and flu seasons. The second powerful benefit is heart and circulation wellness. Garlic has been linked to helping maintain healthy blood pressure, supporting healthy cholesterol levels, and promoting smoother blood flow. This is one reason garlic has been prized in many cultures for centuries. It's not just about immunity, it's about long-term cardiovascular strength. And lastly, garlic acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and energy booster. Its antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which plays a role in fatigue, aging, and low vitality. Many people notice that adding garlic to their daily routine helps them feel more energized, lighter, and overall more balanced. So whether you add it to your meals, take it raw, or use it in herbal preparations, garlic is truly a superfood that supports daily immunity, heart wellness, and overall vitality. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple herbal wisdom like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more helpful content every week. Thank you for watching, and stay naturally healthy.